video, and today I'll be reviewing this wig from Afeier, Your Beauty My Duty, on Amazon. This is an Amazon wig. Comes with a wig cap, some lashes, the hair. So this is a 28-inch deep wave hair. So I ended up bleaching the wig for like 20 minutes, and I didn't really pluck much because it was already pretty plucked. It was a really good hairline, and actually 13 by 4 like. But yeah, I ended up putting some foundation on the lace and then spraying it with some Got2b, and then I removed the combs off the wig because I don't like those. Here you can see when I part the hair a little bit to remove the ear tabs and make sure my sideburns are not passing my ears. So yeah, I just use a ragtail comb, make the little part, and then cut. And then I cut some little slits into the hair so it'd be easier for me to position the spray glue. And this is where you could see me spray the lace glue. This is actually pretty strong lace spray. Like, it's better than Got2b. I could say that for sure. Like, this thing holds for a very long time. I would say at least a week. So, if with good maintenance. So, yeah, I really like this spray. And then I spray some the yellow spray on top. But you have to be careful spraying the hairline because the red one could get really hard, like to the point where you can't even move nothing. So yeah, make sure you don't overdo it with the spray. And then after that, I just go in my blow dryer and I blow dry it dry. I also use my ragtail comb so I could comb like the front of the hair so to make sure it's really adhering to the spray glue. Now you're gonna see me do the rest of my section, so I'm just gonna speed this up because it's basically the same process over and over. And then after all that, I just cut the lace and then lay it down for like 20 minutes with a elastic band. And then here I part my hair, and I wanted to do a swoop bang style for this hair. So yeah, I just part it and then I section it off, and then I work on the ponytail. So this is when I was pushing back the hair. I just used a little bit of wax stick, the edge booster one, and then I push back the hair and then I section off my edges so I don't get them too mixed in with the ponytail. So for this part, I just go in with a little bit of the wax stick, and then I just put the ponytail into multiple sections. So I start with the base, I use some wax stick, and then I flat iron that part. Then I go to the next section, use the wax stick and flat iron that part, hot comb that part, and I just continue that until I finish the ponytail. So at this part, I am working on my edges, and I tweeze the excess edge because I don't like them to be like too thick. And then I use my scissors and I cut it jaggedly. I don't want to cut it too short so I don't have enough hair, but I don't want to cut it too long either, so then you're not going to be able to edge it. But the sideburns are definitely longer than the front ones, yeah. And then with the edges, I try to flat iron it with the tiny dolphin flat iron first, and I make sure to do this part slowly so the edge could actually curl, and that helps me with the swooping for sure. And for the swooping, the products I use is got to be at the root, and at the base I use Eco Styler gel and mix with a little bit of mousse. The mousse helps it swoop back into the hair too. So yeah, I just use those 3 products together to get my little swoops. Also, I do use some scissors to cut the front so it can look more edgy. But anywho, for the Swoop Bang, I just do the same thing as I did with the ponytail. I section it off, and then I put a little bit of wax stick on it, and then I hot comb it to the side so I could get it flat and nice and sleek and nice and straight. And after that, you can either put it behind your ear, or like I did, I put a little bobby pin there to hold it together. And then I just lay it down for like probably 5 minutes, just so the edges could be in their places. Also, if you want like a more harder hold, I would spray it with some Got To Be spray, the yellow one, and I would spray like the bang, and I would spray the ponytail so it could be more of like a sleek look. And to make sure my lace is not ashy, I go in with some eyeshadow that matches my skin tone, or even some powder, just to go along the part and along the edge. And this is the finished product. Hair by me, makeup by me, period. But anywho, let me know what y'all think about the style. Is it cute? Is it ugly? Is it cat? Comment what y'all think below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. And thanks for watching. Bye.